Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and greatest tech that makes life smarter and more exciting. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best smart e-bikes that will change the way you ride in 2026, featuring cutting-edge designs, powerful performance, and intelligent features that will completely transform your daily commute and outdoor adventures. Whether you're looking for speed, comfort, long-range battery life, or the smartest riding experience, this list has something amazing for you. So make sure you watch until the end to find your perfect e-bike. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button to support the channel and stay updated with more awesome gadget reviews. Also, you can find all the product links in the description box below for easy access and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. TARRAN L1. Starting our list is the TARRAN L1, a futuristic longtail smart e-bike designed to handle everything from family rides to city commuting and weekend adventures. What makes this bike stand out is its hyper-integrated design, blending smart technology, safety features, and everyday practicality into one seamless package. Its longtail frame gives you extra cargo and passenger flexibility, making it ideal for parents, urban explorers, or anyone who wants one bike for multiple lifestyles. The L1 focuses on simplicity, comfort, and intelligent ride assistance, making every journey effortless and enjoyable. Number 4. Aventon Level 3. At number 4, the Aventon Level 3 takes daily commuting to a whole new level, with a perfect mix of comfort, range, and advanced smart protection. Built with ACU smart technology, it includes GPS tracking, auto lock, motion alerts, and an integrated alarm system for premium bike security. The adjustable suspension fork, suspension seat post, and comfortable commuter geometry ensure smooth rides even on rough roads, while the rear rack and fenders make it practical for work or errands. With improved motor tuning and enhanced power curves, it also delivers up to 10 extra miles of range, making it one of the smartest commuter e-bikes of 2026. Number 3. Lectric XP4. Coming in at number 3 is the Lectric XP4, a powerful and versatile smart folding e-bike built for both urban streets and off-road trails. Known for its rugged performance and compact foldable design, the XP4 is perfect for riders who want portability without sacrificing power. Its trail-ready tires, strong motor performance, and sturdy frame allow it to confidently tackle rough paths, hills, and city roads alike. Whether you're commuting during the week or exploring new trails on the weekend, the XP4 offers the flexibility, strength, and convenience that make it a standout choice in 2026. Number 2. Velotric Discover 3. In the runner-up spot, the Velotric Discover 3 delivers one of the most comfortable and technologically advanced commuter experiences available. Designed around Comfort Max technology, it features an adjustable suspension air fork and a dual-layer breathable saddle for all-day riding comfort. Under the hood, its 750-watt motor with 75 Newton-meters of torque offers strong acceleration and hill climbing power, while the battery can reach up to 80 miles of range. Smart tuning options and sensor swap adaptive riding technology personalize the ride to your style, while UL certifications and industry-leading water resistance add a serious layer of reliability and safety. Number 1. Urtopia Carbon 1 Pro. Taking the top spot is the stunning Urtopia Carbon 1 Pro, one of the most advanced and stylish smart e-bikes of 2026. Crafted with a lightweight carbon fiber frame, this bike combines sleek design with cutting-edge smart features for an ultra-modern urban riding experience. Its smooth curves and sporty silhouette make it look premium, while the optimized structure improves both speed and comfort. Designed for city riders who value fitness, style, and technology, the Carbon 1 Pro offers a responsive ride that feels fast, elegant, and effortless. It's the perfect blend of futuristic innovation and everyday practicality, making it our number 1 pick.